guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Purba. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my top nail art items that I use to create nail art designs. So let's jump straight into it. Number 1, base coat. Before starting any nail art designs, it is always important to protect your natural nails with a good base coat. Base coats provide a barrier between pigment and nail color and your nail plates, which prevents staining. They also help your polish adhere to your nails, providing a long-lasting manicure. Secondly, you will need a wide variety of nail colors. While it's possible to do nail art designs with just a couple of nail colors, having an array of options allows you to create so many different designs and color combinations. If you love to collect nail polish, I do, definitely check out some pages that I have mentioned in the description box below this video. My third must-have item for doing nail art is dotting tools. This is one of my very first items that I got when I began doing DIY nail art. Dotting tools are so convenient when it comes to creating perfect little dots on your nails, and you can get them in different sizes, allowing you to easily create a variety of dots. The fourth item is toothpicks. Toothpicks are just so versatile in the nail art world. You can use them for creating dots, drawing lines, cleaning up bits of polish that got on your skin, positioning nail decor and more. Plus, they are super affordable and already found in your house. Another quick and easy way to get a beautiful design is by making nail decals. For this, you will need a nail stamping mat, or you can use a plastic wrap and some colorful nail polishes. Just paint the nail polishes on the nail mat, let them dry, cut off the excess, give them a triangular shape. Now apply a clear base coat. Place the decal on the base and press lightly. Repeat this process for all the decals and finish off with a fast dry top coat. This is so quick and easy. Makeup sponges are a must because they create beautiful ombre effortlessly, and they can also be used to pack an opaque layer of glitter. So for this, you will need a nail barrier which will protect your bare skin from nail polishes. Apply them on the bare part of your nails and let them dry. Now cut tape into small stripes and place them on your nails for creating some design according to your choice. Apply colorful dots of nail polishes on the sponge and start sponging on the nail plate. Repeat this process for several times.
I'll take the hit and still finish in one,
You can also use toothpicks to create some creative designs like cherry, leaf, heart shape. This is so quick and easy.
So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
Another quick and easy way to get an intricate design without freehanding is by stamping. You will need a stamper, which clear ones are the most convenient because you can easily see where you are going to place your image, and you will also need stamping plates. Just add the polish, scrape it with a plastic scraper, pick up the image on your stamper and then stamp it over your nails. This is so quick and easy. So after all of that work, you are going to want to have your manicure last as long as possible. So that's where fast drying top coats come. These seal in your design so you get the most out of each manicure. They also come in matte versions too. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and check out more videos here by clicking these boxes. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking the circle here. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.
Have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish in one,